Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to answer the question if you can use, for example, 120 watts adapter for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the answer to the question is yes and no. No, because as you can see on the box, the recommended power adapter will be somewhere between 10 and 45 watts. So I would stick when buying one with this recommended power setting. And the yes, because it will work, but the phone will not be able to use this extra power to, for example, charge faster. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.